ça.
Hello friends and followers, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to speak with you about 3 ways to stop the aircraft on the runway. And later on I'll go to show you a short video which I took while I was flying as a passenger, and I videoed the wing and the engine, and we can see those ways to stop the aircraft. So first one is the brakes, and this actually works like in your car. You press the pedals in the cockpit after the plane, of course, touched down on the runway, so it's stop the plane. Second one is the thrust reverse. So we have the thrust on the engines that work usually backwards. On the ground we can open some panels on the engine, and the thrust reverse is going forward, and this one kind of stop the airplane. The third one is the spoilers, which is panel that open on the wings and also stop the aircraft by reducing the lift and kind of sticking the aircraft into the ground. About operating those things in the air, so of course brakes, there's no logic to operate brakes in the air. The wheels are in the air, so it's not going to work, of course. Second one is the spoilers. Yes, we can operate the spoilers in the air, and it's actually called the speed brakes. This one increase the rate of descent. So let's say, for instance, if we are going down in 2,000 feet with thrust on idle and we want to increase rate of descent, so we can operate the switch which operate the speed brakes and increase the rate of descent, let's say 4,000 for example. The third one about the thrust reverse. So no, you don't want to operate the thrust reverse in the air. At least there was one accident about operating thrust reverse in the air. It can cause, anyways, you don't want to do it, and any book say do not operate thrust reverse in the air. The thrust in the air going only backwards. That's it for now, and let's have a look at the video.